One of these eggs is real, and the other one holds a silk inside of it. This silk to egg was created for performers who value craftsmanship, realism, and reliability. The egg is not a novelty prop. It's a precision tool for the working professional. Every detail is engineered to withstand scrutiny. The shape, finish, and feel all communicate one thing to your audience. This is a real egg. The egg is ideal for classic and contemporary silk to egg routines. No cracking, no chipping, no delicate handling required. For magicians who take their craft seriously, this is the egg you use when the routine matters.